What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change the coolant sensor, coolant level sensor. This one has gone bad. It's pretty easy. It's a twist. First I gotta cut this, and then you just twist it. I'm gonna do it step by step. Alright, first, see this right here, you just push it to the left, my left. Push it, and it should come right down. Probably best to just see, come right off. And then you just have to unclip this right here. Unclip this. Done. I need my other hand, so I'm gonna pause the video. Alright, all you have to do is pull this off. This the old one. It's the old one. The new one is right here. The old one right here, the new one. Just put it back in there and then twist it in. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. Okay, once you put the new one in, clip it on there, just stick it right back. Stick it right back where we got it from. Going to be a little difficult. Just gotta get it in there. Alright, once you get it in there, just push it in, and then you twist it. Once you twist it, you gotta twist it this way. You feel like it's locked in. Make sure this is tight. Make sure you zip tie these cord back, and that's it. Easy fix. I think the part's about $48 at the Freightliner, so I'm gonna fire up the truck to see if we're still getting that low coolant level sensor, and the truck will shut off if it's saying low coolant. Let's see if it fixes it. Alright, I was getting low coolant level, no longer there. Check engine light, it has to do something with the def. Figure that out, but all good now, I think. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, let the temperature rise up to see if it'll pop up or not.